Okay. I'm going to go on Animal Jam. Animal Jam 2? There's an Animal Jam 2? I did not know that. I'm going to have a look at it. Why is there that big mouse there? It's kind of weird. Okay. I'm just gonna go on Animal Jam. So I can just play normal. I haven't been on for ages. Hurry up and load. Yeah, that's me. So subscribe if you want. I'm a panda because I love pandas. My favorite animal in the entire world. So I'm gonna check out my account. I think the carnival's on now, so we'll play a couple carnival games if we can. Yeah. I don't think we'll do anything much in this episode, but we might maybe change myself. I'm not a member, but I don't like this music. There we go. Here I am. Why aren't I moving? I hate this bit. It is so slow. Just honeybee. They're so cute. Okay. Oh, two. Yay. What's happening? I don't know. Stop spinning. No sure. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going. And we're done. Oh god. Okay. And reloading. Okay, there we go. That took ages. Why does it take so long? Okay. How many games do I have? Oh, I got 11 games. Okay. I think we will go to the map. And I'm gonna go home. Home isn't very good, but I think I've got a plushie store as well. Yeah, this is my plushie store. I've collected 10 million. Not really. Yeah, I'm gonna change my home. Switch my home. Switch my home. Switch. No, I want that one. Switch mod in. Switch mod in. How long is this going on for? Only. So this is my home. And I'm moving. There we go. This is my home. This is my little kangaroo. My computer is a bit laggy. It's not very good. This is my little home. And it's not that good, but he's up there in this little cave. There's a game called Sky High. It's the only one members aren't allowed to buy, so I'm gonna play it. Okay. That song is really catchy. How long is this video? Okay. Wow! Damn it. Okay. Try again. Another. Yes. No, I'm gonna so laggy. No, I don't wanna. Yes, okay. I think I'll go to the carnival now. I have to go here first. Okay. Okay. What is that? Okay. I don't want to go here. Oh, is that me? I want to go here. To the Jama Township. Jama Township. Pajama. The carnival is here. Yay! Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Why won't you load? Stupid thing. Okay, it looks like we're not getting anywhere. So I guess this is the end of my video.